Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of a square divided by a is equals to 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. So here in the first method, we move the term a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will become the square root of a square is equals to 4 times of a. And further, in the next step, we need to simplify the terms, and here we just remove the square root sign from left hand side, and it will become square root of a square and its whole square is equals to 4a and its whole square. And now you see that this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get a square is equals to here we break the square sign and we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get 4 square into a square. And now further in the next step we have this is a square equals to, here we have 4 square, and we know that 4 square is equals to 16 times of a square. And now further in the next step we move the term a square from left hand side to the right hand side. This will be written as 16 times of a square. This is positive a square. When we move it into the right hand side, it will become negative a square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And you see that both of these two terms are like terms, or in other words we say that it is same variable terms. So we subtract both of these two values and we get 16a square minus a square becomes 15a square is equals to 0. And now for the values of a, we divide both of the sides by 15 in order to remove this 15 from here. So when we divide by 15, this will becomes this 15 and this 15 are gone, and we get here a square is equals to, this is 0 divided by 15, and 0 divided by 15 becomes here 0. And now here our target is to find the values of a. So for this we take square root on both of the sides, and when we apply square root it will be written as this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get a is equals to, this is square root of 0 becomes here 0. So this is the value of a, which is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of a be the solution, or is this value of a be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of a square divided by a is equals to 4. And here we substitute the value of a into the left hand side and we check its behavior. So this will becomes square root of 0 square divided by 0 is equals to 4. And this implies that a 0 square means that we get 0, and the square root of 0 is also becomes 0, and we get 0 over 0 form is equals to 0. So 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form. If this is indeterminate form, this means that or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value a is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we called that a is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root, and further you see here we cannot get any other value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we conclude about that this question has no solution, which we get here from first method. And now in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is square root of a divided by a is equals to 4. This is the given question statement, and now here our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here in this method we just directly cancelled this square and square root sign, and you see that this square and square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get here a divided by a is equals to 4. And further in the next step, you see here again we cancelled both of these two terms because these are the two same variable terms. These are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 1 only, and this is equals to 4. And you see that 1 is equals to 4 is generally not a possible case. It is not possible that positive 1 is equals to 4 because these two values are not equal in general. So this means that in the second method we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So here we cannot get any value of a which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.